Use these affiliate marketing tips to grow your business. Affiliate marketing can be a passive way to earn income as long as you apply some guidelines to who you affiliate with. The income may be passive or quite active. Keep in mind, affiliates will not make you rich overnight, yet there are several ways to use it to your best advantage. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. Before deciding on an affiliate company to go with, check out the company's references and see what people are really saying about the services they offer. You need to be sure that you're dealing with a legitimate service before you put the time and effort into driving traffic to someone else's site. If an affiliate program isn't working for you, try something else. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs out there that finding the one that fits with your audience and your style takes some time. Research and testing into your page to track what is working and what isn't it. Check your favorite products to see if they offer affiliate marketing programs as well. You aren't limited to just the big affiliate sites. If you are a business owner considering setting up an affiliate marketing program for your products, limit the number of sites you allow to be your affiliates. If you have an overwhelming number of affiliate links and videos, they can actually bury your product page in search results. Only allow quality sites to link you and limit their number. If the site isn't performing, consider revoking their affiliate status. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. As you have seen, there are many ways to use affiliate marketing to your advantage. It can be highly effective when the right choices are made and the right affiliates are gathered. It is not difficult to get started, and before long you will see the results from the gathered affiliates. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.